What's up guys, I'm back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing how to make two very easy fidget toys. This is the first one. It's so easy. Oops. This one, I'll show you how to do it right now. These are the pieces you will need. Two of these red pieces, doesn't really matter what color. Oops. No. And another one. Just three of the same things. And one of these long pieces. There are smaller ones of these clips, but this one's a longer. First, get your blue piece. Get the hole in this piece. Make sure the one with nothing, like that. That should not be, I'll tell you what I mean. It shouldn't be like this. That goes in. We flipped around. That side goes in. We're gonna make it go to the middle. The middle of these ones. Oops. And just stick it to the side. It doesn't matter. Boom, you're done. Now, let's show you the next one. Okay, next one. This one. It's bigger. It's not the same because you can put it in any shape you want and just crunch it up. Let me show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. These are the pieces you need. 5 of these pieces with 5 holes. And yes, 5 holes. 5 of them. Does not matter which color. Get that out of here. Oh, no. I'm going to show you how to make those ones in a different video. And this one I already showed you. Then you need 4 of these clip pieces. Just like that long one, but these are the smaller ones. Let's get a little close up right there. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I'm sure you guys saw that. That right there. I do not know what's in. Get one of these pieces and get a clip and then put it on the top one. And get another one of them and just join it like that. And then flip it over. And then get another one and put that in. Get another one of these and stab it in. Flip it. Get this. Stab. Another one. Stab. Flip it. Stab. Get the other one and stab. And now you are done. Pretty easy, huh? It's so easy. And it's Lego, so if you have all these Lego pieces, then you can do it. The easiest one is this one. So easy. Yeah. Got it. I threw it up and I got it. How many times can I catch it without falling? It was behind me. Not fair. No. Not fair. Bigger. The bigger. Probably wasting a lot of time with the video right now. This is a pretty short video. You don't have to know everything. Yeah, I'll show you how to make these two in a different video. So, Goodbye.